Have you ever wondered what it feels like to cruise around in pure luxury, where every detail is crafted to perfection? Well, in this video, we'll explore the world's most luxurious cars, showcasing their stunning designs and exceptional features. From the silent elegance of the Rolls-Royce Spectre to the stately grandeur of the Bentley Continental GT, these vehicles aren't just modes of transport, they are masterpieces on wheels. So, here are the top 10 most luxurious cars in the world. 1. The BMW i7. The BMW i7 is the epitome of modern luxury, setting a new benchmark in the premium electric vehicle segment. This model is especially notable for its all-electric powertrain, which enhances the traditional luxury experience with superior quietness and smooth acceleration that electric vehicles are known for. The BMW i7 not only promises zero emissions, but also offers a potent performance with its 101.7 kWh battery, which provides a remarkable range of up to 388 miles on a single charge. Inside, the BMW i7 is equipped with features that cater to an exquisite luxury experience. The vehicle includes an advanced Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, which delivers an audio experience with clarity and depth that can rival concert halls. Comfort is paramount in the design of the i7, as evidenced by its lounge-style seating, which allows passengers to relax as if they were in the comfort of their living rooms. Such features underscore the BMW i7's commitment to providing a luxurious and technologically advanced driving experience, making it a standout choice for those who seek sophistication and sustainability in their automobile. 2. Range Rover Autobiography. The Range Rover Autobiography presents a pinnacle in the fusion of luxury and rugged capability, appealing to those who demand their vehicles perform with excellence, both on and off the paved road. This model elevates the SUV experience to new heights, boasting features that deliver unmatched comfort and convenience. Among its standout offerings are massaging seats that provide soothing relief on long journeys and rear bucket seats that offer personalized comfort for backseat passengers, turning every drive into a first-class experience. Further enhancing the luxury are amenities such as a beverage refrigerator, ensuring that refreshments are always at the perfect temperature. This attention to detail in comfort and utility underlines the vehicle's commitment to providing a top-tier experience for all its occupants. With a price tag in the six-figure range, the Range Rover Autobiography clearly positions itself above more conventional luxury SUVs, like the Cadillac Escalade. This price not only reflects the vehicle's superior features and capabilities, but also its status as a symbol of sophistication and prowess. 3. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class sets a new standard for luxury sedans, thanks to its extended wheelbase that provides an expansive and opulent cabin space. This extra length not only enhances the visual elegance of the vehicle, but also significantly increases the comfort for passengers, particularly in the rear seats. Such space is further accentuated by the lavish use of Napa leather upholstery, which envelops the interior with a soft, premium feel that is both visually and tactilely pleasing. Powering this luxurious behemoth is a formidable twin-turbocharged V12 engine, which delivers over 620 horsepower. This engine ensures that the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class offers performance that matches its high-end status, allowing for swift acceleration and a driving experience that is both exhilarating and smooth. The power and precision engineered into this car make it an exemplary choice for those who seek the pinnacle of automotive luxury and performance, wrapped in an exceptionally comfortable and technologically advanced package. 4. Bentley Flying Spur. The Bentley Flying Spur is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, using an extended version of the platform that underpins the Continental GT Coupe. This adaptation provides the Flying Spur with a unique blend of sporty dynamics and limousine-like luxury. The car's architecture ensures a balanced and smooth ride, essential for a vehicle that aims to provide supreme comfort and exceptional driving pleasure. Under the hood, the Bentley Flying Spur offers a range of powerful engine options to suit varying preferences for performance and efficiency. These include a V6 plug-in hybrid for those looking for a greener alternative, a robust 4.0-liter V8, and the flagship 6.0-liter W12 engine. The Flying Spur thus stands out not only for its performance, but also for its unparalleled ability to meld customization with luxury, making it an iconic model in Bentley's illustrious lineup. This vehicle is truly for those who demand exclusivity and refinement without compromising on power and driving dynamics. 5. Mercedes-Maybach GLS600. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 represents a significant milestone for Mercedes-Benz's luxury division as its first foray into the SUV market. This vehicle stands out with its grand design and meticulous attention to detail, marked by an extensive use of premium materials and chrome accents that enhance its stately appearance. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 is designed to make a statement, projecting an image of luxury and power with its bold exterior. Inside, the GLS600 continues to impress with a cabin that epitomizes luxury SUV interiors. The vehicle features ambient lighting that can be customized to suit the mood or preference of the occupants, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Additionally, the seats are crafted from ultra-plush materials, offering unmatched comfort that makes both short drives and long journeys a pleasure. The comfort is further augmented by spacious seating, ensuring that each passenger experiences the opulence that Maybach is known for. The audio experience in the GLS600 is unparalleled, thanks to a Burmester audio system that includes 27 speakers, enveloping passengers in a rich and clear sound environment that complements the vehicle's quiet and refined ambiance. Now that we are halfway through the video, we would very much appreciate a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. 6. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a beast in the luxury SUV market, setting a benchmark for opulence and comfort. As the first SUV from the esteemed marque, it delivers the expected Rolls-Royce standards of craftsmanship and luxury, but in a form factor that provides greater versatility and utility. With a base price nearing $350,000, the Cullinan is clearly targeted at a select group of affluent buyers who seek the utmost in luxury transportation. Every aspect of the Cullinan's design has been meticulously considered to ensure it meets the high expectations associated with the Rolls-Royce name. It features 2 trim levels, each offering extensive customization options. The use of high-quality materials is evident throughout the Cullinan's interior, which is adorned with the finest leathers, woods, and metals. Unique design elements further enhance the aesthetic appeal, making the Cullinan not just a mode of transport, but a statement of wealth and style. 7. Rolls-Royce Ghost. The Rolls-Royce Ghost represents the zenith of luxury automotive design, redefining elegance with its complete redesign. This model is constructed on Rolls-Royce's exclusive architecture of luxury, a platform designed specifically for this marque, ensuring that the Ghost not only looks distinctive, but also provides a driving experience that is both refined and dynamic. Under the bonnet, the Ghost features a powerful 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, which is both robust and whisper-quiet, aligning with the marque's philosophy of effortless power and serene driving dynamics. This engine enables the Ghost to glide with an almost ethereal presence on the road, reinforcing the car's reputation for supreme comfort and performance. Inside, the Rolls-Royce Ghost is a sanctuary of luxury. The interior is sumptuously appointed with the finest materials, including bespoke leathers and meticulously crafted wood inlays. Known for its serene ride quality and exquisite interior, the Ghost continues to set the standard for luxury sedans, offering an unmatched blend of style, comfort, and power. 8. Bentley Continental GT. The Bentley Continental GT redefines what a luxury grand touring coupe can be, blending formidable power with sumptuous design. Available with either a 542 horsepower V8 or a more potent 650 horsepower W12 engine, the Continental GT offers a dynamic driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. These powerful engine choices ensure that the Continental GT delivers impressive speed and smooth, responsive handling, making it ideal for long-distance touring in comfort and style. Internally, the Continental GT draws inspiration from the iconic wings of the Bentley badge, which is artfully reflected in the car's luxurious and meticulously crafted interior. The extensive use of hand-stitched leather throughout the cabin not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also creates an atmosphere of luxury that is both tangible to both driver and passengers. This combination of high-performance engineering, iconic design, and advanced technology makes the Bentley Continental GT a must-have grand tourer, perfect for those who seek the thrill of the drive without compromising on comfort or luxury. 9. Rolls-Royce Spectre. The Rolls-Royce Spectre marks a monumental shift for the storied brand as it introduces its first electric vehicle, signaling a new era of luxury mobility. This move towards electrification aligns with global trends and customer demand for more sustainable yet luxurious transportation options. The Spectre embodies the elegance and luxury expected from Rolls-Royce while seamlessly integrating cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. Underneath its luxurious exterior, the Spectre is powered by 2 electric motors that deliver a combined output of 577 bhp. Furthermore, the Spectre boasts an impressive electric range of up to 329 miles, ensuring that it can handle daily commutes and longer journeys without the need for frequent stops to recharge. In essence, the Rolls-Royce Spectre is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce with the practical and environmental benefits of electric technology, making it a superb choice for the discerning modern family. 10. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The Rolls-Royce brand is surely committed to luxury, as the Phantom is yet another model on our list from the brand. Its design and craftsmanship set a standard for luxury that few can match, making it a symbol of status and prestige. At the heart of its allure is the Phantom's 6.75-liter V12 engine, which delivers smooth and powerful performance. This engine ensures that the Phantom not only moves with grace and authority, but does so with a quietness that befits its luxurious nature, thanks to extensive soundproofing throughout the vehicle. One of the most distinctive features of the Phantom is its Starlight headliner, a bespoke option that transforms the roof of the car into a twinkling night sky. This unique feature enhances the ambiance inside the Phantom, making every journey feel special and enchanting. From the choice of leather and wood finishes to custom embroidery, the bespoke options are nearly limitless, enabling a level of personalization that is unparalleled in the automotive world. So which of these vehicles impresses you the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Until our next video, thank you for watching.